Well, hello there and welcome back to a brand new video where today's video is very, very exciting because it's episode number 5, video number 5 on the channel. And like I mentioned, I think in part 2, I mentioned that maybe on the 5th and 10th episode, maybe on the multiples of 5, we might try and like open bigger packs in terms of like the quantity. So today we have, are you ready? 10 packs. Yes, that is right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs, which is very, very exciting indeed. Woo! Okay, let's begin. Let's open these 10 packs. It's going to probably take us a little bit of a while, but we'll see what happens. But if you are new around here, please subscribe if you can, and like the video and all that fun stuff. Really, really helps out the channel. But right, the first card we have is Rapunzel. Yeah, we've definitely had this card before, but we are probably getting close to. I think we're probably like 20% maybe in terms of like completing the book. I think there's still loads of cards we need, and this card here, Oki, is definitely a new card. Definitely a card we do not have yet. So we've got Yoki or Oki, however you like to say his name or her name. What does it say actually? Because it is new. So this one says, help your family recycle by washing. No, we have had this one. I remember the message. I think it was in part 3 or episode 3. Right. What card do we have here? Behind number door. Oh, Thumper. That is new. That's definitely a new card. And a little fun fact. When I went to Disneyland Paris with my girlfriend for the very first time, I actually bought her a Thumper. So we got a Thumper. Woo! I went, oh, Wasp. Is Wasp? I think we've had Wasp before. I think. Let's have a look. Right. Let's see what happens here. Okay. So we've got Wasp. Oh, I think Wasp is new. Yeah, Wasp is definitely new. Okay, maybe because we're opening 10 packs, hopefully we can see a bunch of new cards. That would be awesome. Right. Let's go see what we got. But how are you guys doing in terms of, are you guys close to completing the book? Are you, these are brand new cards. Yes, get in there. BB8. Yeah, how are you guys doing in terms of completion? Are you guys doing well? Has any of you completed the book? Please let me know. My Sainsbury's for some reason still not selling the packs you can buy individually. But you can buy them online. So I think I might try and place an order and I can collect them from the store. So it should be quite, maybe I'll record myself collecting them. It'll be quite an interesting video. But we have BB8, which is definitely a brand new card. Oh, I love BB8. BB8 is very cool indeed. We then have Tiana. And her whole dress is kind of like embroidered. I say embroidered. I don't know if embroidered is the right word. Embossed, but has a nice kind of like uplift texture to it. So let's try and oh my goodness, I think I've ripped her card slightly. Oh my goodness, it's not good. Oh no, look at that, I've slightly ripped it. Oh shoot, not good. But anyway, we got Tiana. Look at that. Look, just check her out. I'm just checking on my phone. Look at that, is awesome. Who doesn't love Tiana? Right, okay, and then we got 2 other cards here. What do we have here? Oh, Ghost Spider. Ghost Spider is definitely a new card. Right. Let's take a look. So we have Ghost Spider, and it says, don't waste paper. Write on both sides and save scraps for notes. Very, very handy. And then last but not least, Mr. Incredible. I think have we had Mr. Incredible yet? I don't know. I don't know if we have. Maybe? It does kind of ring a bell, but I don't think we have. And look at that. Mr. Incredible. How cool is that? Very, very exciting indeed. Right. Okay. Moving on to, are we 2 packs in already? 2, 3 packs in? I've lost count. We are doing very, very well. Right. Let's try and open these cards without breaking them, Matt. Oh! Bo-Katan Kryze from the film Mandalorian. Mandalorian. That's I can't seem to pronounce it. But there we go. That is definitely a new card indeed. Right. We then have Luca. Share a book you've enjoyed with your family or friends. I think that is definitely a new card, I think. Right, let's go and open you up. Right, what do we have here? Julia. Right, it's definitely the wrong theme tune for that movie. Right, here we go. No way. Are you excited for this? Okay. Are you excited for this? Okay, so I'm going to try and show you that card in a moment, if I can. So we have a Grief Karga, which is here. Very nice indeed. Definitely a brand new card to the collection. And then, oh yeah, there you go. Aliens. I was going to try and like open it from behind, but it wasn't really going to work. But we got aliens. Yes, we have aliens. Does that mean we are finally going to get a Buzz Lightyear? I mean, it'd be pretty cool if we can. But we got aliens. Perfect. I'm excited for a bunch of Toy Story, what was it? Toy Story cards. And this, once again, the alien at the back is kind of like lifted. If you guys can see that. Oh, it's a bit of a shine to it. Woo! That looks awesome. Okay. We are doing well. How many packs we got left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we've only opened 3 packs. Damn. We've got to speed through this. But no, I think so. Next year, I think, because so next year probably they'll be going back to Disney. No, not Disney. Lego. Do you think? Do you think it'll be Lego next year? So we have Finn here, number 17, which we've had before. Jack, which is definitely a card which we've had before. Look how quick I'm opening these. Jack. And he says, what's this one says? Jack says, don't dare yourself to shapeshift by spending a day in a disguise or an unusual outfit. Interesting. Right, that's what we're doing here. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, what is it going to be? What are these 2 cards going to be? Are you ready? Another Woody. That's good. That means we've got 3 Woodies, which is awesome. And then Miguel. Okay, we got a Woody and a Miguel. Okay, another Woody. I'm very happy with that. But where's Buzz? Where is Buzz Lightyear and all the other Toy Story characters? Okay, I'm opening you up. Okay, here we go. Let's try and do some fast pack openings. First card we have is Groot. Groot is definitely a brand new card, a Marvel character. And then we have Darth Vader. How cool is that? Right, we're not opening these cards the best way, are we? All right, let's start from the big. Let's start from the back. Okay, we are looking good. We are looking good, ladies and gentlemen. We have Alberto from the film Lucia. Okay, and then we have Unicorn. Wow, we're getting some new cards finally. We then have Unicorn. It says, oh, sorry guys. It says design and draw a unicorn with a special power. Would it be good or silly? Woohoo! Let me know. I think I'll have a silly unicorn. And then, oh yeah, we got Darth Vader. I don't know why I'm getting excited again. We've already seen it, but I'm like, oh my goodness, Darth Vader. Okay, so because what I need to do at some point is basically put these cards into the book and then have a list, because we used to, like with Lego Create the World, right, we used to have a list in terms of like, right, we need numbers 22, 48, 67 and all that stuff. But I definitely need to do that. But in terms of my memory's pretty good. Kind of seeing straight away in terms of what cards we have and what cards we don't need. But the first card we have is, oh my goodness, yes, let's go. We got Buzz Lightyear. Let's go. Okay, so we got Cruella from Disney 101 Dalmatians. Very, very cool indeed. And then the one and only Buzz Lightyear. But unfortunately, why is he not shiny? I don't want to rip him. But why is Buzz not a shiny? Buzz should be. In my opinion, if I was doing this game, Buzz would be a shiny. But we have Buzz Lightyear. And I still need to take all this cardboard off. And Buzz Lightyear, bravery 9, loyalty 8, with a strength of 6, and his like kind of buttons are kind of like, as you can see there, the shine to that. Whoo! Check that out. We got Buzz. I'm gonna put Buzz here. I'm gonna stand him up. Ho 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 ho! Buzz down there in the corners. You can always see him throughout the video. Will Buzz give us some luck? Who knows? Right, what else do we have here? Oh, let's. Right, where are we going? Okay, let's rip you. Why is it so hard sometimes to open these packs? Does anyone else have difficulty? Right. Maybe it's a special card. Who knows? Nick Fury. Have we had Nick Fury yet? I don't know. It kind of rings a bell, but kind of doesn't. But number 12, Nick Fury. That is awesome. We've got Nick Fury. And then we have, are you ready? We have Pepita. Definitely a new card. Pepita is definitely a new card. And she says, draw your own fabulous flying creature inspired by real animals. Ooh. Okay. Moving on to the last few packs. Very exciting. We've got Buzz, which is awesome, and all that stuff. Right, let's try and open. Right, so there's a gap here. Here we go. Here we go. We're sucking diesel now. Here we go. Oh. You going to open? You going to... Oh, I see a shiny. I see a shiny. Do you guys see that? Okay, first card we have is Cosmo, which we've seen before. We then Mirinda, a shiny, which we've definitely had before. Right, let's try and open you. Come on, Mirinda. Let's get you out of here. The shinies feel really, really good. Right. Oh. Here we go. Mirinda at number 91. Check out the shine on her. Woo! Okay, who else do we have? We have Daisy, which we've seen before, and then we've got Captain Marvel, which is definitely a card we've had before. Okay, so let's go and get Daisy. Oh, yes, let's go. Daisy at number 46, another card we've just acquired. Okay, 3 packs to go. Right, I think if you split it here, bend here and open here. Maybe that's how you meant to do it. And then open it like a book. That's it. Okay, Porg. We've had before. Yes, the person we've had before. Right, let's try and speed through all of these. Dun 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 dun. Oh. I wonder what other Toy Story characters there are. Because you know me, I'm a big fan of Toy Story. So you should see what... We should maybe look at the book and see what is also available. We got Yes once again. And then we have... Who do we have? Our good old friend Olaf, which we've seen multiple times. And then Captain America. Woo! Right, so Captain America we have just secured again. Which is always good, like I said, to get duplicates. Right, the final 2 packs. Oh my goodness, Buzz just fell. Sorry, Buzz, has put you back up. Okay, what 2 do you think will be in here? Okay. Right, so if we bend here in the middle. This is definitely easier, I think, he says. Okay, Mandalorian, which we've had already. Dio, which we've definitely had already. Let's try and do this. Okay. This is much easier, actually, to open. Right. Who do you think's in the final pack? I mean, I'll love another Buzz, potentially. But we'll see. Okay, we've got Dio, which we've had before. We've then got... Who else have we got in here? Oh, the moment of truth. Oh. We have Chewbacca once again. We then... Who else do we have in here? Oh. Caretaker. Caretaker. Is that new? I don't know. I kind of feel like Caretaker potentially could be new. And then that's it. Okay. The last pack. Oh, let's tap on it. Let's do a flip. Let's see if it gives us any luck. Right. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Right. First card is... You ready? Leah. We've already had Leah. Okay. Leah. Great seeing you again. Minnie, we've had before. Right, Minnie. There we go. We then have... Yep. Simba. We either got today or in the last episode, but we've definitely had Simba before. Simba just there. And then we have Winter Soldier. Right. And this is the last card, Winter Soldier. So, very, very good indeed. Winter Soldier just there. So, if we have a quick look at what we managed to achieve. So, let's put you down here. The only issue with these cards being a little bit smaller than the others, you can't really, like, I guess, like hold them in the same way as all the other cards. You kind of got like move it like this, and then oh, Woody, we got Woody and Buzz in the same kind of opening. How? And we got 8. Oh my goodness, this is the Toy Story episode. Yep. Wow. So we got aliens and Woody. Let's put you down there. We got these small cards as always. Pretty cool. However, we have aliens, Woody, and we have Buzz. How cool is that? The trio. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. Okay. I could call this episode, opening, Woody, Buzz. You don't want to give it away, but I still can't believe it. Oh my days. That is awesome. That is amazing. Okay. Cool. Right, I need a bit of a drink, and I've got one more video to film where we've got another, I think, 6 or 7 packs, and after that, there'll be a future video coming up, which won't be about Disney. It will be about Pokemon cards, which I'm hoping you guys will enjoy. But if you have enjoyed today's video, then be sure to massive thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, comment on what's regarding this. But anyway, guys, have a wonderful day, and as was in my next video, adios, chaps, boom.
And her gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.